Hi traders, in this video we're looking at the Schiff Pitchfork for MT4 and MT5. This technical analysis tool is an advanced variation of the Andrews Pitchfork that uses three parallel trend lines based on pivot points to identify price channels and potential support and resistance levels. In this video, you will see how the Schiff Pitchfork is constructed, how it differs from the traditional pitchfork, and which trading applications are described. The Schiff Pitchfork is a technical analysis tool named after its creator, Dr. Allen H. Schiff, that helps traders identify potential price trends and support and resistance levels in financial markets. It consists of three parallel trend lines drawn based on three significant pivot points, typically extreme highs and lows, that signify key turning points in price movement. The primary distinguishing feature is the chief modification, which involves altering the scope of the median line to account for market anomalies and provide a more accurate representation of price trends. On the chart, the chief pitchfork displays a median line drawn from the first pivot point through the second pivot point and extended to the right, serving as the anchor and midpoint of the price channel. Two equidistant lines are drawn parallel to the median line, extending from the third pivot point, one above and one below, creating upper and lower boundaries that act as potential support and resistance zone. The median line acts as a dynamic trend line with price tending to stay above it during uptrends and below it during downtrends, while the upper and lower lines define the channel extremes. To use the chief pitchfork, traders begin by identifying three significant pivot points on the price chart, representing extreme highs and lows where price has changed direction noticeably. The first and third pivot points should be on the outer edges of the trend, while the second pivot point should be located in the middle. The tool is dynamic and adapts to market conditions by adjusting the slope of the median line, making it particularly useful for analyzing charts with irregular price movements. The chief pitchfork is aimed at traders who use channel-based technical analysis and want to identify potential support and resistance levels and entry or exit points based on price behavior near the channel boundaries. Common strategies include buying near the lower line during an uptrend and selling near the upper line during a downtrend, with breakouts above or below the pitchfork lines signaling entry or exit opportunity. However, the tool is subjective and depends on correctly selecting appropriate pivot points, which can vary between traders, and it can produce false signals when price briefly reach lines without significant trend reversals. So it should be used with other technical or fundamental analysis and risk management. You can download the Chief Pitchfork for MT4 and MT5 using the link in the description below. This overview from the Forex Geek shows how the chief modification and parallel line channel structure aim to provide a dynamic framework for identifying trends and key price zones. If you like pitchfork and channel analysis tools, subscribe to the Forex Geek and turn on notifications for more MT4 and MT5 tutorials.